Who asked me this question?
I asked you the question for the time being.
Mr. Kanwal, is that you?
Yes, Mr. O'Brien, it is.
Okay. I've got 5 questions to ask Modi and Shah. 5 questions. Constitutional Amendment Bill was passed today, yesterday in Lok Sabha, today in Rajya Sabha. Sitting on my left was 80 plus Mr. Deve Gowda voting on the Constitutional Amendment Bill. Sitting on my right was former Prime Minister, both former Prime Ministers, Dr. Manmohan Singh. My first question, 5 questions I've got on Parliament. I don't need to answer any questions on behalf of the opposition because I do believe, I'm not angry this evening, this is the truth at the end of this session. This is the truth. Where was Modi and Shah today or yesterday in Lok Sabha? Couldn't they come for at least 5-10 minutes? If they can't come, at least send the cardboard cutout. Next time we'll accept the cardboard cutout like they're doing for the Olympics. Number two, you passed 40 bills without discussion or scrutiny, totally in both houses. Why did you do that? 40 bills you passed. We are representing about 60% of the people. It's not about MPs. BJP represents 37 fraction of the population of India. It's our job as MPs, Mr. Kanwal, to bring these issues up. So, next statistic. Parliament, why am I saying this? Because only 1 out of 10 bills is scrutinized by parliamentary committees.
But if the opposition, sir, is disrupting Parliament, you're saying 40 bills got passed without discussion or scrutiny.
What happened today?
But the opposition is not allowing for discussion or scrutiny. You had the option, you could have pushed for it and demanded this. Had the discussions pinned the government down. You didn't allow Parliament to function.
Don't. I can pin the government down. Mr. Kanwal, you give me 2-3 minutes, I'm giving you 4-5 questions. If you don't answer the questions, Amit Shah and Modi have to answer these questions. Okay, Amit Shah and Modi have to answer these questions. Here's the question. From 2016 to 2021, how many questions has Narendra Modi answered on the floor of Parliament? The answer is 0. How many questions did Manmohan Singh answer in that period? 22. These are the questions. Why didn't you send this bill to committees? You tell me yesterday, who told you we wanted a discussion on agriculture problems and solutions? No. You repeal the farm laws. You cannot, listen Mr. Kanwal, there are certain issues which need to be discussed. Internal security, because it doesn't suit Mr. Modi and Mr. Shah, they think this is some kind of little club they're running from Ahmedabad. This is Parliament. And I'm really telling you what happened today in Parliament with the General Insurance Bill. I've never seen something like that. There were more marshals in Parliament. You know, these are the real issues. The situation is serious. As an MP, I'm really telling you from Trinamool Congress, and we've just whipped the BJP in Bengal, but I'm going to make a report to my chairperson of my parliamentary committee. Is it worth the opposition coming here for, it's a waste of time. Parliament is a waste of time. Modi Shah write the script. It's a fascist. There's no parliamentary democracy. The opposition, Mr. Kanwal, is an old saying. The opposition must have its say. And the government must have its way because they have the numbers. That's as simple as that. So what do you mean you want to discuss tomorrow? You've called me to your show. You've called me to your show now. I'm going to tell you, no, Mr. Kanwal, I'm making a very good Chinese meal now. I want to give you the recipe. You don't want to hear the recipe. You want to hear about the questions you asked me about Parliament. It's the same thing with the discussion. We want a discussion on national security. You're saying you can't discuss it because it's sub judice. The defense minister of the country has, in a written answer to Parliament, has answered the question on Pegasus. So what are we talking about? This is, and I'm not at all angry today. I'm just very, very sad. My mindset is like this. When I hear someone like Sharad Pawar standing next to me today in Parliament and saying that I've been in Parliament for 55 years, in opposition, Mr. Pawar's words, in opposition, in government. But Derek, I have never ever seen something like this. And who's talking about disruption? The disruption was done in 2010. 2010 2G scam, you all remember. UPA, we were not part of the UPA at that time. The UPA bulldozed 10 bills, 4 in Rajya Sabha and 6 in Lok Sabha during 2G in 2010. Then here, now they bulldozed 40 or 39, 37, 39 bills. And what do they do for the optics is very nice. The Lok Sabha speaker then invites all the leaders there for a lunch. They have lunch and those pictures are put out. Young people of India, let me tell you this. We are the third largest political party in India, All India Trinamool Congress. We are the third largest. But I am telling you, it's a red flag. It's a danger flag. Please help us. We appeal to the media. We appeal to civil society. Otherwise, this can only get worse. In 1 year's time or 2 years' time, there'll be CISF or those Jawans who come there with the fully loaded rifles to stand in front of the
From what you're saying,
so
Mr.
happy today,
O'Brien,
the
it
last
seems
day,
to suggest
because it's a
that
very,
you've
very
now
sad
come
day.
to the
And I
view
would
that
ask the
parliamentary
questions.
democracy
Mr.
makes
Kanwal,
no
you have
sense.
to ask the difficult questions.
I am asking you a difficult question.
Yes.
Are you saying that from the next session, the winter session onwards,
it's no parliamentary democracy.
you will not
It is
come
Modi
to
Shah.
parliament, or that you will not participate in parliamentary proceedings, that what you've done via adjournments or via tamashas, you won't come to parliament
I
at
did
all?
not say that, Mr. Kanwal. Mr. Kanwal.
I'm asking you, yeah?
Let me tell you. Yes, no. It's a very fair question. It's a very fair question. I haven't been in Parliament for 55 years like Mr. Pawar has, but I've done over a decade in Parliament. You know, there is some rules, there is some precedence, there is young people of India know this. There is nothing left in Indian Parliament. I don't know how we're ever going to get this back. This duo, the former Gujarat Chief Minister and the former Home Minister, I have nothing to say about them. We bashed them in Bengal. We showed them what Mamata Banerjee showed them once and for all, what the people gave them the message. Civil society has to come out of here. Media has to come out. There are pictures from Rajya Sabha today after it was censored. What do you want us in the opposition to do? Why don't you, Mr. Kanwal, you're a very experienced editor. You tell us if you're going to bulldoze 35 bills and not even send it to a select committee, farmer bills. What did we tell you? Let's talk about farmer bill. What did we tell you on the farmer bills? We told you it has to go to a select committee. That's the parampara. Get different views and then, no, you bulldoze. You throw us out for 6
you're
days.
saying,
Then what do you do
sir,
now?
that
You come back and
civil
say,
society needs to come to
Mr.
parliament.
Jaitley,
Civil
Mr.
society
Jaitley,
doesn't come to
do
parliament.
crunch check,
You
find Mr. Jaitley.
beat the BJP in Bengal. Let the opposition beat Modi and Shah for the battle of 2024. You can run parliament the way you want. At this moment, not allowing for discussion, not allowing for debate, how fair is that?
We didn't beat the BJP in Bengal. We didn't. Mr. Kanwal, please, my simple thing. Mr. Kanwal, it's a very simple thing. You hear me out. Modi and Shah cannot write out what they want to discuss. Let me give you 2 minutes, I'll explain to you. What did the opposition want to discuss? Opposition wanted to discuss internal security. You as a government put out the IT minister. Where is the IT minister in this? The Home Minister and the Prime Minister should have come. They are not coming to Parliament. Then you send us those boards, not serious stuff. Now you put out one saying you will not discuss internal security. Lame. Okay? Now judiciary is the hope. Number 2, you want to discuss, we said we want to discuss price rise. Okay? You want to discuss farmer. What do we want to discuss? The subject for the discussion yesterday, agriculture, problems and solutions. Are we in St. Xavier's, Bombay or Mithibai, Mumbai having a college debate? No, we want to discuss repeal of the farm laws. How you messed up, what is the problem, and you've got yourself in a... This is Parliament, this is not a college debating society. So Parliament is to legislate, Parliament is to deliberate. Legislation is zero. There's committees. The committees are. I'm making an announcement on your program today. I will not come to a standing committee meeting for the next 6 months. I won't, and my party won't mind, because there's nothing happening in those committees. They're all they come with their flags. Those are not. These are the old. Who taught me many of these? Yes, Mamata Banerjee, Trinamool Congress taught me. One of my earliest mentors in Parliament. who was leader of the opposition when I was in the opposition, was Mr. Arun Jaitley. I would appeal to senior members of the BJP who understand this much more about Parliament. Talk to Amit Shah. Talk to Narendra Modi. Tell them this is not good for tomorrow. This is not good for day after tomorrow. I humbly plead with you, please, whoever these senior MPs are who understand a little. We've always had differences in Parliament. There can be dhum, there can be dhush, but not like this.
Okay, I'm going to leave it over there. You
Not
had
like
your
this.
say. We've
And
heard
then
from
you'll
the
have
government. We've
I'm
heard from
sorry,
the Congress.
With all due respect, Mr. Kawal.
And we've heard from
Mr. Kawal, with all due respect.
Yes.
Don't only expect opposition. Mr. Kawal, I appreciate this. No, I appreciate. I mean, what you have done today in the last 8 minutes or 10 minutes is given a voice of opposition, which all censored. And I appreciate, Mr. Kawal, you and India Today, who've given me a chance to come and speak here on television. If the media comes and keeps doing its bit and gives different voices, because in Parliament it's only one way. Somebody from the BJP has to stand up, because I've given you numbers. 11% of bills are scrutinized. Prime Minister hasn't answered a question in the last 5-6 years. Constitutional amendment bill passed over the last 2 days. Devi Gowda ji and Manmohan Singh ji were there at their age voting. No Amit Shah, no Modi. They can't hoot about Parliament. 3, 4, parliamentary standing committees do not work, and you put pressure on the chairman of both the houses, I will say this, to run the way you want it to run. That is the harsh reality of Indian Parliament.
So we've heard from the BJP, we've heard from the Congress, we've heard from the Trinamool. We'll leave it there. But